This is code.org. We are doing lesson 8, clean code and debugging. It's part of unit 2. It's part of the CS discovery stuff. So we are on level 4 of this lesson, and let's get started. Debugging. This page has images in it. Ooh, we've done images before. Images make finding bugs a little more tricky. Uh-oh. Can you debug this page? I hope so. Do this. Discuss with your partner. Hi, partner. I'm talking to you who's watching, not myself. Well, maybe. Discuss with your partner what is causing bugs in this page. Fix the bugs so that your page matches the target page shown below. Okay. Oh, they do have a target page. So right off the bat, notice this picture. We're not getting that picture. Let's start there. What's going on? Does inspect work on this one? Ah, nope. They're making us work hard. All right. So let's see what's going on with this picture. I think, all right, there's the H3 tag for that guy. Oh, well, that's what's going on. img.src looks good, but what's missing here? Well, the name of the picture. Remember, the alt tag is what shows, if I delete this, you'll see, it's what shows, refresh and save, what shows when the picture doesn't load. So notice our hyphen disappeared here. So SRC is where the image name goes. So it has to be, there goes the bell for my school. Regardless, it has to be exactly perfect. So let's look over here. It looks like this one's called, and when it pops up like this, I just hit enter because it auto fills in the picture's name and it's always perfect. Well, that looks good. Let's see. Maybe this will make it show. Aha. All right, that's some progress. What else do we need to do on this guy? It looks like they also created a bullet-pointed list, so we'll work on that after images. The Venus flytrap. These are some intimidating plants. Let's go look for him. Or her? They? Sure. Venus flytrap. Well, that looks good. The tag's even... Yep, the tag is exactly correct. Huh. Well, I mean, the file name is. Why wouldn't this... Let's go compare real quick. Notice SRC. What do we got there? So SRC stands for source. I usually think screen, but if you spell source without the vowels, it is, well, it's SRC. So when I do this, I often put SCR, and that's screen. That's not what we're looking for. It's SRC. Now, once I fix this, let's see if refreshing and saving it. Baha! We're on a roll, team, or partner, or whatever. All right, this rubber plant thing. Oh, I see pink. Remember, if code is pink, that means something around it, it's saying, hey, there's a problem here. All right, so it looks like this isn't large enough. Why would that be? Well, look at our pink. So let's go ahead and see if I can add this starting tag, if that will help. Hopefully it does. It did. And that image is already showing because they're being kind to us. Great. One more image issue, it looks like. Bare head tooth fungus. That looks good. Well, they spelled SRC right. And I think this image tag is correct. Oh, well, look at this. I think we need an equal sign. Maybe. And then we did. I wonder why it looks like they're not using closing tags on this, but I think it's just good practice. I'm going to go through and add those. Maybe it's part of their mistakes. And there we are. So we got the most of that stuff now, or what it needs, but notice the list. So it looks like this isn't actually on our list. So Veloz pitcher plant. Right here. Well, that says UL, so we are starting the list there. Why wouldn't this be on our list? Well, it's missing list item. And you can actually wrap a list item tag all the way around a heading tag. Right? So look what they did here. List item. Oh, they have it separated out here. Oh, I'm sorry. Nope, because that's the end of their list item. So that's what's inside of the list tag. I see what they're doing. So list item. List item. And again, just for formatting to make our lives easier, I'm going to hit enter and then I'm going to hit, I think, yep, we need it below all of it. Okay, where's my other list item? I'm going to say cut, and then we need it below, right above this. And now I'm going to hit paste, and that kind of looks like theirs. And if I'm going to backspace just for formatting. So notice it's going to auto indent for us, because all of this, well, that goes on 2 lines, so that looks a little funny. But all of this is actually part of our list item. It's inside of list item. So all of this is indented slightly from list item, showing that it contains all of this info. So I think that looks good, that looks good, that looks good. We are ready to rock. Excellent. Let's go ahead and move forward.